Welcome to the 2026 AZDroneFest screening and award ceremony. Tonight we come together to celebrate the incredible talent and creativity of aerial filmmakers from around the world. This event would not be possible without the generosity of our partners, whose support helps us continue to showcase and elevate the art of aerial cinematography. We would also like to extend our sincere thanks to our judges from around the world. Each year, they dedicate their time and expertise to carefully review and score every submission. Their knowledge, passion, and commitment to the craft play a vital role in maintaining the integrity and spirit of this festival. AZDroneFest would also like to recognize the members of its board of directors whose guidance and support continue to help shape and grow the festival. And finally, a very special thank you to everyone who volunteered their time and energy to help bring this event to life. From planning and coordination to the countless details behind the scenes, their dedication is what allows this festival to happen year after year. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible aerial films that make up this year's official selections.